Hey there, food lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make an absolute favorite, butter chicken, but with a whimsical Ghibli twist. Ready? Let's dive right in. First, grab 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs. They're juicy and perfect for this dish. Cut them into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Now, let's make the marinade. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and a pinch of salt. Add the chicken to this aromatic blend, mix well, and let it marinate for at least an hour. Trust me, the longer the better. While that's marinating, let's move on to the luscious sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it's golden brown. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and cook until fragrant. Now, toss in 2 cups of tomato puree and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. You want it thick and rich. Time to spice things up. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a touch of salt. Stir everything together, letting those spices bloom beautifully. Now for the magic touch. Add 1 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir until the sauce is velvety smooth. Set it aside for a moment. Back to our marinated chicken. In a separate pan, cook the chicken until it's perfectly charred and cooked through. Once done, add the chicken to the sauce and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Let those flavors meld together into something truly special. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander and a swirl of cream. And there you have it, butter chicken Ghibli style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Enjoy your magical meal.